Top Deals offers an amazing all-in-one system for you to offer online services like travel and tours, bills payment, money transfer, and loading business. As a Top Deals dealer, you will be provided with your own access to its amazing platform. Let me show you the Top Deals system. Using your account ID and password, log into your dashboard and then enter the security PIN to access the Top Store services. These are the services that you can use using the system. Let me discuss first the loading business. With Top Deals loading service, you can load Smart, Globe, and Sun cellular networks. You can even load Signal and electronic game cards. Now, how do we earn from the loading business? You will get 4% discount for every successful loading transaction. To load, simply click the network you want to use, select the product code, enter the client's cell phone number, and click Submit. In this example, for a 10 pesos load denomination, you will have a discount of 40 cents. You may also charge additional 2 pesos just like other loading business around you. Now let's check the Top Deals bills payment service. Paying bills is simple. Just select the biller category, example, telecommunications, water utilities, or loans, and then select the biller name. A form will be provided for you to input the client's details found on the billing statement. This time, let me discuss money transfer using Smart Padala. You can send and receive Smart Padala remittances using our system. Earn 7 pesos for 1 peso to 1,000 send and receive transactions. Your income, of course, varies depending on the amount sent or received by the client. To send a Smart Padala, just enter the Smart Padala number, sender and receiver details, enter the amount, and click Submit. To claim Smart Padala sent to Top Deals, just enter the receiver's details, the reference number, amount, and submit. Successful claims are added to your Smart Padala claims and can be in cash or converted as fund. Now let me discuss our travel and tours business. There are 3 kinds of services under travel and tours. That is airline ticketing, hotel booking, and tour packages. For airline ticketing and hotel booking, you need to set your markup or service charge. Let us say you set 200 pesos markup for domestic flights and 500 pesos for international flights. This markup is applied on the ticket price on a per pax per weight basis. Example, if you book a round-trip ticket, that means your markup income is doubled since it is a two-way flight. Another amazing feature of our ticketing system is the option to customize your own business name and logo. Now let me show you how to book your ticket using our system. To search for a specific flight, just select option for one-way or round-trip booking. Enter the origin and destination airports, choose the date of flight from the calendar, indicate the number of passengers, and then click Search. The system will provide you the list of available flights showing the cheapest flight first. The ticket price shown already includes your markup income. You will be provided with a complete flight and fare details when you click a specific flight from the search results. Our system will provide you with a summary of booking information before it will be processed. This is to ensure that all the information you have provided is accurate to avoid errors. This is an example of a confirmed ticket itinerary. You have the option to print or email the ticket itinerary. Now let me show you how to book a hotel using our system. First, enter the city where you wish to book a hotel and then indicate the dates of your check-in and your check-out. You also need to indicate the number of rooms or number of guests you wish to book. Clicking search will display the list of available hotels in our system. Choose your client's preferred hotel and select the room type. Fill out the booking form with your client's information and then click Book Now to confirm your booking. For tour packages, our system offers a fixed-day travel packages for international destinations. We offer flexible payment terms for our travel packages. Earn as much as 800 pesos per pax per tour package book. Our Top Deals platform is user-friendly and very easy to manage. It is also a highly maintained and secured system. Not only that, it is also mobile responsive and allows multiple system access, making it convenient to use. You can do the business anytime and anywhere. The great news about Top Deals is that you can get this system for a very affordable dealership package of only 4,980 pesos one-time activation fee, and there is no quota, no maintenance fee. You can enjoy the business lifetime. If you want to get this system, just contact any Top Deals dealer right now to guide you on the registration process.